Have you ever wondered what else there is to do in Universal CityWalk? Stick around and find out. Hey everyone, Aubrey here. We are in Universal Orlando CityWalk. Today we're changing things up a bit. We're not going into the parks. We're gonna spend some time around here to show you all the awesome things you can do while taking a break from the park. So stick with us. We're gonna show you all the fun stuff. I'm pumped. Let's do it.
What is Universal Orlando CityWalk? It's the entertainment hub adjacent to the parks. It's for socialization, entertainment, and dining. There's tons of things to do, including mini golf, an escape room, and tons of restaurants. To help you best understand Universal Orlando CityWalk, we've divided it up into 3 major categories: food, entertainment, and shopping. We're gonna start with everybody's favorite, food. There's tons of food options in Universal Orlando CityWalk and tons of decisions to make there. Let's show you some of the food options that you can find around CityWalk.
Universal Orlando CityWalk has so many food options, it can be overwhelming at times. If you want tacos, they got tacos. If you want bao buns, there are bao buns. Maybe you want the inside of the cinnamon roll, they have that too. So where are we gonna start? Let's go to Cowfish. We're over here at Cowfish. It is in the heart of Universal CityWalk, right across from the giant Coke refreshment stand. You cannot miss it. If you're looking for a unique place to eat, Cowfish is the way to go. It might not be one of our top places in CityWalk to eat. It's up there, but not the very, very top. But if you're looking for burgers and sushi, this is the place for you. Now, if you want a really unique treat from their menu, I highly recommend trying Burgushi. What is that? It's a burger in a sushi roll, and it tastes just like it. Now, some people like it. It was a little different for us, and I think it's just a matter of eating a sushi roll that tastes like a burger, which is just so weird, let's be real. But Cowfish is great. We stop here pretty regularly for a nice burger or a light sushi roll, and you're set to go for the day.
If steaks or other entrees cooked over an open flame are more your style, look no further than Big Fire. Big Fire has amazing appetizers, delicious entrees, and delectable desserts. We love Big Fire, and it's probably one of our favorite restaurants in CityWalk. We love the beer glazed scallops, and the tableside s'mores are so much fun to do with friends. They can also hook you up with a smoked cocktail, which is a very unique thing for a restaurant.
Antojitos. If you need some quality tableside guac, this is the place to go. It is made fresh right in front of you, and it is absolutely fantastic, especially with a warm tortilla chip. But maybe you want to have a little bit more fun for your day? They can make you a very good margarita. We know that memories are made at the dinner table, but when you're here at Universal, there's some other things to do as well. So our second point at CityWalk is to go shopping. Who doesn't love a good souvenir? Let's go buy some stuff. Ben and I have two favorite stores here when it comes to buying souvenirs on our trips. And the first one is the Universal Studios store right behind me. I'm lacking on a couple souvenirs this trip so far, so join me while I go buy some stuff.
Haven't even been at the parks for 24 hours. So I told Bob, we have to wait at least a little bit before we pick up souvenirs. Our next stop is gonna be the Universal Legacy store. Let's go check it out.
The Universal Legacy store has some awesome old school throwback swag. If that's up your alley, if you like Jaws, if you like E.T., if you like classic monsters, the Legacy store is gonna have something for you. Ben, do you want this hat? So you know that there's food and you know that there's shopping in CityWalk, but there's a little bit more too. If you want a break from the park, but you still are looking for something to do, there are different options here. And the first one we'll start with is the escape room. Let's go check it out.
Universal's Great Movie Escape is one of the newest members to Universal CityWalk. It's towards the back of CityWalk, close to Antijitos. You'll either have a private group, if you're willing to shell out that kind of money, or more of a public group, where you'll try to either escape from a Jurassic World themed room or a Back to the Future room. If you love the movies, you're gonna love this. Speaking of movies, Universal CityWalk has a movie theater. Let's go check it out.
Maybe you need to get off your feet for a bit, enjoy some air conditioning, and a nice movie. The movie theater here is fantastic, and just a great way to really immerse yourself in all things Universal. Watch a Universal Minions movie, then go enjoy the ride. Why not? I'm pretty excited personally for the Mario Kart movie to come out soon. Here in Universal CityWalk, one of our favorite activities to do is a little bit of putt-putt golf. There's two different courses with two different themes, and they're both so much fun. In fact, they're so much fun. Ben, let's go play.
Just finished up at Hollywood Drive-In Mini Golf. I still got her.
He did. He won by 1 point. That's
it was close, though.
Just 1 point. It was probably my best round of golf ever. Mini golf, yes.
Hollywood Drive-In Mini Golf is so much fun to do with friends or whoever you're here at the parks with. Be sure to keep your receipt if you pay for two. That way they know that you can come back at any time and utilize the second round of mini golf that you paid for.
We paid for two for this one. We're gonna come back later during our trip in the evening time when it's dark out so we can really enjoy the ambiance and the lights, because each of the different courses are really fun themed, and they're even better in the nighttime when you get to enjoy the lights with it. So we'll be back to do our second round later, and I get a chance to win and beat Ben then.
This wraps up our brief tour of Universal CityWalk. If you have any questions about the restaurants, be sure to check out our restaurant review playlist. We'll link that at the end of this video so that you can check those out as well. If you got anything out of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stick around for more Universal content. Thanks for watching.
Bye!